kids! Today we are going to draw a super cute flower. First, let's draw a cute smiling face in the center of the flower. Now draw 5 big flower petals. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. Color the center of the flower bright yellow. Amazing! You drew a beautiful, cute flower. Color the flower petals bright pink. Stay till the end because a fun surprise is waiting for you. Flowers are beautiful and colorful. This flower is pink in color and makes every garden look happy. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos.